Good afternoon, everybody. Today is March 6th, 2015, and welcome to our live market analysis for the British pound versus US dollar. I'm the Chief Technical Analyst here at HyperFX Academy, and I'll be walking you through some of the trade setups that occurred during the US session. Now, as always, we're using our basic zigzag strategy, which uses a 5-pip Renko chart, and we use both horizontal and angle trend lines to determine support and resistance levels. And once the price action crosses these levels, we either have a buy or sell signal. So I'll begin by drawing some of the trade setups that occurred initially during the US Open. Our first trade would have been at this point here. You can clearly see that we had a Renko brick close below this horizontal trend line at this point here. So that signals our first sell entry for the day. And this was a great move. It went for 10, 20, 30, 35 pips. And if you had just waited for the first opposite Renko brick to appear before you had exited this trade, you would have caught a majority of the movement. Okay, after that, our second entry for the day would have been this up signal here. Let me just draw this out for you at this point here. And again, another nice move. It went for close to 50 pips as well. And after that, we had another down break at this point here. All we do is simply connect the dots, and as soon as the price action breaks these dots, these lines, either on the downside or upside, we have a sell signal in this case here, because this Renko brick closed below this trend line. Now mind you, we had other entries, for example, this entry here. Now you notice that this red dot is higher than this one, so we don't use an angled trend line, because if you use an angled trend line, you notice that you never get a break in the price action. So when you have a higher high, you simply use a horizontal trend line, and then as soon as the Renko bar crosses above, you have a buy signal. And this was a small movement, but this was again because you had missed the previous two entries, so you still managed to capture 10 pips that way as well. So after that entry, we had another down break, and that was a great movement, as you can see. Again, just wait for the first opposite candle to appear before exiting the trade, and that way you can maximize most of the profits. And then we had a horizontal break here as well. There you see it. Now what you're looking at now is what happened around the afternoon, around noon. Again, the market was moving very slowly because it was consolidating a little bit. But again, you can still manage to bank 10 or 15 pips. Again, there's another sell entry at this point here, and that was another 10 pip trade. And then we had another nice breakdown at this point here, simply by connecting the blue dots. And this is where we stand right now. It's almost 3 o'clock here, so I wouldn't advise taking any more trades at this point, but you can see that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 great entries. So again, it was a great day to scalp the market using this very simple strategy. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be joining you again Monday afternoon with another market recap using our basic system and strategy here. Again, we're using a 5-pip Renko chart and combining it with a zigzag indicator, which is available for download in our description. Just follow the link, and you can use that and take advantage of that in your trading as well. Again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll be joining you again Monday afternoon. Till then, happy trading.